I'm here at Forma Steel in Fort Macleod with Mayor Fader, who's the owner, but he's also the mayor of Fort Macleod. And how long have you been mayor?
3 years now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So your dad and your family started this business, Structural Truss, 40 years ago. And you guys have really grown since then. Tell us a little bit about the company.
Structural Truss started out of a need for some good supply of trusses in southern Alberta. So we started, kind of came out of the construction industry, right? So grew it, established it, great people, built it. I started here myself in 2003 full time. I grew up around the business, right? So it's always fun seeing where things are at today. This company, Forma Steel, was started in 92, so 28 years. So a growing company as well with a lot of different product lines and options. So over 100 staff members currently.
So you produce in this, on the steel side, a lot of products for agricultural buildings, right? For farm buildings?
Yeah.
And over on the truss side, for custom housing, both multifamily and single-family dwelling homes?
Yeah, and so a lot of farm buildings as well, for sure. It takes a lot less energy to design, more energy to build. So it's a little bit of a flip on where the energy is spent. This side also, Forma Steel also spends a lot of time on architectural panels, corrugated, different custom panels throughout Western Canada.
So I understand you guys now have over 100 employees, and you've almost doubled the workforce in the last couple of years, and so you could grow even further. And you're exporting outside of Alberta. That's a great growth story. Congratulations.
Yeah, it's been amazing in a small town, Fort Macleod. We treasure being in a small town. It's a good place.
You really believe, as I do, that there's great opportunity for more manufacturing, diversification, value-added businesses like this in our smaller communities where costs are lower, but one of the challenges is access to labor.
Yeah. So definitely under-leveraged small towns, right? They have a lot of potential. They have a lot of infrastructure that's ready and able to be put to use.
So about half your workforce comes from Fort Macleod, but the other half comes from Lethbridge, Pincher Creek, and all around, eh?
Yeah, so we're ideally situated that way. So some from Lethbridge, Clarestone, Pincher Creek, so it keeps us all pretty hopping and it's a lot of fun.
Listen, we just want you guys to grow and expand, and we need to, one of the things we're working on is what we call a skills for jobs agenda, to make sure that young people especially have relevant skills for this kind of work, because my belief is that a red seal has as much value as a university degree. I suspect you agree.
Totally agree. I think you look at our youth, the more we can get them involved in growing business, developing business, it's a great training ground. So I'd love to see even our school system more involved in helping integrate business into their curriculum so that we can develop a workforce that's ready and eager to do business.
Exactly. Part of our goal is to kind of reinvent the vocational high schools, or at least vocational training, available to young people in the secondary system. Your family comes from Holland. That's a very strong part of the education system there, Germany, Austria, and it means higher youth employment, higher incomes, higher productivity. That's something we should emulate.
Yeah. Overall, people are looking for meaningful work, right?
Yeah.
And I think the thing that makes me so happy every day is being able to see us provide meaningful work for our labor force.
I love it. And so finally, I hope you know our government is, we're cutting taxes for businesses like yours, trying to cut the red tape burden, and hopefully that can unleash you to be more productive, hire more people.
If the government gets out of the way, business has a lot of opportunity, right? So we're looking forward to helping and
I love it. I also like that so much you stepped up for public service as mayor. We need more, frankly, municipal leaders who are focused on economic growth, job creation in the private sector by keeping taxes down and cutting the red tape. So it's great to have an ally at the municipal level.
Yeah, we appreciate the ally for sure, and we look forward to it all the time.
All right, good luck to you guys. God bless. Thank you very much.